Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a construction line here with 350 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Now select this circle, make a circle here, remove the construction line type with 125 millimeters of diameter, and create another one in the same center with 192 millimeters of diameter. We have this, okay. Go to sketch dimension, the center of the circle and the midpoint, the distance here is 175 millimeters. Okay. Now go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint here, and this point, make an arc here. Select line, click here in this point, make a line here with 225 millimeters, 0.9. Make another line here with 72 millimeters. And close the sketch here. Go to dimension, sketch dimension, click in this point and this line here. The distance here is 184 millimeters. That's okay. Now go to constraint, select tangent, make this arc tangent with this line. We have this, okay. Now go to create, select mirror, select this profile here. The mirror line is this line here, and press OK. We have this, okay. We have this. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile. Don't select this part here. The extended type is distance, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here is 150 millimeters. Press OK. Go to fillet, select this face here, the fillet here 22 millimeters. Press OK. Go to fillet again, select this edge here. Select the same edge, okay. The fillet here is 15 millimeters. Press OK. This, okay. Now show the sketch one again. Go to Extrude, select this profile here. The direction here symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here is 193 millimeters, 0.6. Operation join, press OK. We have this. Now go to fillet, select this edge here, this edge, or you can select this face here and this face here. The fillet here is 8 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Here finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.